Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Umam Kize and welcome to Mom Kize's Corner. So today let me say welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. Namhlanje guys masenze nisonka sombhako. Ne? Senze nisonka sombhako ndisihalele yeah. So welcome to my kitchen. Yo, I wish siphume simandi siyilento endifuna besiso because if asikho mnandi sana I will blame every one of you who's watching. If you're new in this channel guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share the video. Let us go to my kitchen. No, I remember that's not my kitchen. That's not my kitchen. That's my mother's kitchen. But let us go and prepare a sonka sombak. So guys, this is what I have. I don't know if you can see it. There's flour, there's sugar, there's salt, and yeast. I mixed them together. So we're going to then this is my water, right? This water is lukewarm, ne? It's neither cold neither hot. It's adigidigi, a lukewarm, which means like they are lukewarm, like just like some other Christians. Do you get me? Okay, now let us mix together.